No, I went to kick it and I slipped right here. I was like, oh god, and the ball hit my knee and made me fall.
I thought you were just doing that like on purpose.
No, I slipped and the ball hit my knee and made me fall.
Break the whole thing of it.
Roll over it on your tummy.
What? I feel like a seal.
I know, right?
Hold on.
I'm trying to explain it so I can...
You got seal ready. That was a fail. Redo.
Ow, I hit my hip.
Oh, I hit my hip. We'll make a new one.